Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox or open this pack of sleeve bibs. So this one is from tschibo, and I already told you that I like the tschibo products very much. So let's see what's in there. So you see, it seems a bit big. It has a beautiful motif of a bear and a rabbit. And then it comes with a hanger, and here everything is written in two languages, basically in English and German. So in German it is called Ärmellätchen, and in English it is called sleeve bibs. So then it also says that it has water repellent and coating, and for saving kids' dress from the food stains. And this one is Einheitsgröße, means it fits to all. Obviously not to me and you, but for all babies. Then in German, English, yeah. So two sleeve bibs underlaid with moisture repellent film, reliable protection for clothing. Outer material made up of absorbent toweling. Total length approximately 37 cm each, and it's one size. And it's organic blended content standard, and it is recyclable. So I will open this. अपने आप को लगाना नहीं. And see, these are, and this is the one with rabbit motif, and this is the one with bear motif. And I will try this on her. So my baby is currently in transition phase, and I am trying to do baby-led weaning sometimes. So these bibs are good in that sense, because then she stain everything here. She stain her sleeves also. Now leave this. Okay. Wait. Yes, wait. So you see, it's not that big in size, and it's okay. Maybe I have to use another bib or secure it here maybe, so that the food will not go inside her clothes. But basically it serves the purpose. Okay, I would like to request that please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and keep coming back to watch my videos. There is anything for everyone. So enjoy the time. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.